Hello everyone, this is Yogesh Kumar Sahu unboxing Samsung Galaxy M31s. I was very eager to run a Samsung phone, and today with my hand I am unboxing it. So looking fabulous. In the case, I have been provided with an adapter and the cable C-type, and this much. As you all know that earphones are not enclosed nowadays, so no earphone. A user manual is present here. Okay, leave all this thing. I'm going to start my phone now. This is Mirage blue color. I am going to press the power button now. The phone showed a quick response for starting. Now let us see how much time it takes to start completely. I have my friend Kunal with me. He is going to upload this unboxing Samsung Galaxy M31s to his Facebook channel.
YouTube
YouTube channel. Oh, sorry bro. Let's go.